This is a popular GCSE Maths exam question about repeated percentage change. Now, most repeated percentage change questions contain a percentage that is a number, 12%, 4%, 5%, 6.5%. Then it's quite easy. However, this one, with this unknown percentage, many students struggle because you cannot do this question in the way that you normally do the other questions. So it's a really good question. Pause the video and give this a try. The population of a town is increasing by X% each year. Now we don't know the multiplier. Imagine if the question said the population of the town is increasing by 7%. Now what can we do? 100% add 7%, 107%. We can get like that. But we cannot get the multiplier here. So let's assume that the multiplier is M. Now, the population will double in 6 years. So what's the population now? We don't know the population. Now let's call it P. I can just call it A, B, any letter really. I wouldn't use X because they've already used X for this percentage. Call it P because P for population. Now, in 6 years' time, the question says that it doubles. Okay, so in 6 years, the population is going to be 2P. Now we know when you multiply your current population by this multiplier M 6 times. So in other words, M to the power of 6 gives you 2 times. Now I'm going to divide both sides by P, cross them out. So I know M to the power of 6 is 2. Now on a separate note, if you had X squared is equal to something, let's say 75. How do I find X? I need to take the square root of X, which is the same as 75 to the power of. If a question said X cubed is equal to 125, how do I find X then? I need to take 125 to the power of 1/3. Now here, the question says M to the power of 6 is equal to 2. So how do I find M? I need to take the 6th root of 2, which is 2 raised to the power of 1/6, and you can enter this on your calculator, and your calculator gives the multiplier as 1.122462 ... Now, how do we get the multiplier? By adding the percentage and dividing it by 100. Now, I need to convert this into percentage, so I'm just going to multiply by 100. 1.122462 multiplied by 100, and that gives you this as a percentage. So that will be 112.2462 like that as a percentage. Now we get this one when you add X% to 100. So 100 add X% gives you this. So I need to find my X, and all I need to do is 112.2462 take away 100. So my X here is 12.2462. The question doesn't specify how many decimal places you want. So let's go to 2 decimal places, 12.25%. If this question helped you, watch the full GCSE Maths exam sprint series. Real exam questions every time.